Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan, and today we are going to be planning in my Practical Paper Company work planner for the week of April 6th through the 12th using this kit from SammyLynnPlanning. Now this is the Spring Refresh Kit, and I love the designs and the decoration in this kit, so I had to get it. So this is what it looks like. I have the full boxes, the days of the week, and then the washi, because this planner I don't really need to do a lot of deco. It's mainly for functionality, but I wanted to make sure to have a little bit of deco for this planner, so that is what we got. I am on SammyLynnPlanning's PR team, so if you use my PR code Megan20, it'll save you 20% off of your order, and you will receive this freebie. Y'all know I never have my freebie for the correct month, so it's not even her fault, it's all mine. I never have it because I just always forget. So without further ado, let's get started. As you guys are aware, this is my work planner, so I use this to track all of the important things that I need for work purposes, and you know, tracking where I'm at in each classroom every single day and what everybody is up to and all of that fun stuff. That's what I use this planner for. So how has your month been so far, you guys? What have you been up to? What have you been, you know, what have you been getting into? What have you been doing? This month, I am very excited because we do have a teacher work day on the 20th. So next week, I believe, right? That sounds right. So 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Nope. So it'd be two weeks from now. So not this Monday, but next Monday. And I'm very excited about it. It's going to be a nice little break from the work week and the stresses of, you know, all the testing that everyone's going to have to be doing soon. Are you guys doing testing yet? Is it that time of year for you guys? I know that not everybody is excited about it. I know that it is not a fun time. Our testing, I don't think, happens until May, so that is really good. But, you know, such is life. But yeah, that is what we are doing. We are getting ready for that. So I think that they were like, you know what, let's give you guys one extra day just to prepare, get things going, you know, get things on track so that you're not stressed out when it comes time for testing. And that's very nice. I don't remember if I told you guys, because I had mentioned it in the past, but I was supposed to find out after spring break if I was going to be long-term subbing in a class, and I found out I'm not going to be long-term subbing in a class, but I will be working every single day until the end of the school year. So that is super exciting and very nice to know. We are going to put him next to the laundry because he's holding a pile of laundry, and I think that that is a good use of the sticker. I'm going to do that, and I think we're going to go like this. I like that. That's really cute. Let's add the window up here. And then we'll add the house right there. Okay, and then she is holding some cake. So we're going to put the cake right here. Let's do this. Oh, that's the same. Why don't we do it this way? Do it like that. I like that. That's cute. And let's put the closet right here. And we have 2 more. Have you guys done your spring cleaning yet? Do you do spring cleaning? We usually do, and we kind of fell off the wagon this time because we kind of did our spring cleaning before spring break actually happened, because we knew we were going to be away for my cruise, and Mom and Dad were going to be doing other things, watching Bruce and such. So we went ahead with our spring break spring cleaning situation. So we did not do spring cleaning. Let's do these as the titles. I like that. The titles, the labels for the days of the week is what I wanted to say. I think I have 2 more, so I'm checking in my reusable sticker book to see, because I'm pretty sure I do. Well, I have 3. I don't know where the other one went, but I'll find one. So, found the other box. That was what I was looking for. And then let's do the days of the week, and then this spread will actually be done. Like, we don't have anything else to do. So, Monday, Tuesday, let's do Monday here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's put Tuesday here, actually. Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday I just stick on here for completion purposes. And you know what? We are going to use this weekend banner again for completion purposes, because weekends are important when you are working. They are very important. And you know what? I'm going to put this bow here because I want to. So this is where I will write down all of the, like my paycheck. I just dropped something and I don't know what it was. But here I will write down my paycheck breakdown. This is where I'll write down specific notes on what happened in each class every day. And then here I'll write where I'm going, because sometimes if a teacher has planning, I'm going to another class. So I like to write that down. And then like a little blurb about what specifically they're doing. So like if they're doing IXLs or something like that, I'll write that there. I don't know if you guys know what IXLs are if you're in school, but it's some sort of like online learning system thing that they do. I don't know. It's weird. I'm sure everybody knows what IXL is. But anyway, that is my spread for this week. I love it. I think it's very fun and bright and happy, which is what I need to get through this week. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out my YouTube memberships, which I barely mentioned, but I do want to remind you guys that I do have YouTube memberships. If you want to see more information about that, you can watch the video. I will leave it linked up here, and it is linked in the description box. SammyLynnPlanning's information is also linked in the description box below, so if you guys want to save some money off of her order, you can use my code Megan20, save you 20% off of your order, and you will receive my freebie. I am so excited for this month to finish, because that means we will have 1 more month of school. Whew, lots of exciting times ahead. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you liked about this spread, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!